Twitter has introduced a new feature called Fleets, which is similar to the story feature on other social media platforms. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Twitter Fleets. Now let's get started. Twitter Fleets are vertical photo, video, and text posts that disappear 24 hours after posting. This is where you can share your fleeting thoughts that you might not want to permanently have on your Twitter page. To post your own fleets, tap the add icon that appears with your profile image in the top left corner. In the bottom menu, you can select what type of post you want to share: text, camera roll, capture, or video. With text fleets, tap the middle of your screen to start typing what you want your post to say. Then you can adjust your text alignment, boldness, background, and color. Tap Done when you're happy with how the text looks. You can then drag your text to wherever you want it to sit on your post. Use 2 fingers to adjust the size and rotation of the text. If you want to add more text, tap the at the bottom to create another text box. When you're done adding text, you can change the background design by tapping the colored circle in the bottom left corner. When you're happy with how your post looks, tap Fleet in the top right corner to share it. When it comes to photo and video fleets, you can upload images from your device or capture a new one. After that, the editing tools are the same. To snap a new photo, select Capture. Then tap the camera shutter button to take your photo. To record a video, select Video at the bottom. Tap the record button to begin recording, and tap it again when you want to stop recording. After you have captured or uploaded your photo or video, you can leave it full screen, or use 2 fingers to pinch it smaller and have a background behind it. You can change the color of the background by tapping the color dot in the bottom left corner. The same way you do for text fleets. You can add text to your photo or video post by tapping the at the bottom. Edit the text style, color, and alignment using the same editing tools as demonstrated earlier for text-only fleets. When you're happy with how your post looks, tap Fleet in the top right corner to share it. Once you've shared a fleet, your followers will be able to see it in their Fleets bar at the top of the Twitter app. If your Twitter profile is public, anyone who goes to your profile will be able to watch your fleets if they choose. If your profile is private only, your followers will be able to watch your fleets. That does it for our guide to using Twitter Fleets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.